Morning, my girl.
All right, I'm here with my homie Arno, and to introduce you to the next big one that we're busy doing. This is the K40 lifted suspension, Rockwell front and rear diffs, and we're going to walk through it now and show you everything that's happening with this thing. Starting with, as you can see inside here, we're busy fitting a Cummins motor, 6bt. Client has ordered a brand new 6bt. It's waiting for it. It's on the water, on its way here. Running a Allison gearbox with it. So if you can have a look there. We're still in the process of converting it to a double cab. As you can see, it's going to be a mean truck. It's about almost 3 meters high to the top, eh? Yeah, 2.4, which is pretty high. Look how small Arno looks next to this thing. So yeah, as you can see, we've mocked it up with a Cummins block. We've got about 3 weeks to get the other cab on, which is standing outside there. So we're going to join the back of it on, turn it into a 4-door, stretch the load bed here, keep the back the same, cut the back off, and then get ready to paint and make it pretty. Let's check, got some nice rims. So what we're busy doing now is we're busy test fitting the new rocker panels in. We've stripped the cab, cleaned the back. This is the extension for the cab. We're busy now with the doors over there. We're going to cut them, reshape the doors quickly.
What's it now? What's it? It's the first time you got a proper telephone. Now you want to just make videos.
It's not a fucking telephone.
It's a proper telephone.
It's not a telephone.
Chinese.
It's not a telephone though. It's a cellophone. A cellophone. All right, I'm here with Mosi. Mosi, say hello. So today's the big day. We have to cut the cab, and we've got to get it. It's not a science, but it's a wing and a dream here. Let's see what happens. So basically, we're going to chop this cab here now. We've already prepared the other pieces. I'll show you those in a moment. We've prepared the back piece, the new doors, and then the other back piece, and the new rockers are there in the front. We're going to add those in when we get the pieces mounted. But for now, we're going to we've got you on a time-lapse camera here, and we're going to cut the back off of this cab. Are you going to do it, Mosi?
No, I'm going to look at you do it.
You're going to watch me do it? Okay.
I'm going to tell you there's a point of no return.
It's a point of no... Yes, this is what they call the point of no return. We're going to make this thing into a 4-door. I'll go show you the doors quickly. We've made them double curved there and curved here. Same with that one, curved on both sides because they used to run at an angle like that. So now these are the back doors, but the client wanted full size, so we went full size. It's going to have like a quarter window here, which will be interesting. And then we've got the 2 back sections, which are now ready to go up onto the main section as soon as we cut the cab. So enjoy, we're about to cut the cab. What we're doing here now today is we're busy sorting out the B-pillars. We're busy cutting the roof now, cutting the headline on the inside straight. We're going to cut the top of the roof off this one so the two of them overlap on each other. And then we're going to weld the bottom rockers in to start to line up the rear bracing points, because these here have got to come in the back here of that piece of the back of the cab to hold the hinges for the suicide doors. So keep posted. Charlo's going to start cutting, and Anna's going to make coffee. So hello, Charlo.
Hello, how are you?
Monday, our day off, just to see if we can tackle the rest of the cutting of this cab, because I'd like to have this joined before tomorrow, because I want to get this thing into bodywork shortly. So as you can see, we've got the new doors. They're quite big because of what client wanted, full-size doors at the back, but we changed the shape because they used to be like that with the quarter window. So now they basically go up like that, have a rounded section, and the quarter window will be a similar shape window but smaller. As you can see, Charlotte's getting ready. We're going to cut the roof now, so we're going to slide over each other so that we offset the joints. So we have one joint to the right, one joint to the left, and that way it gives us more strength, and the B pillars are coming down perfectly onto the main support of the cab. Making progress. Yes. So now what you're doing is you put the new rocker panels in, temporary, to line up with the, because these are the front posts, because the cab has been reversed. Charlo! Wait, Charlo. So now the reverse.
Charlo! Wait, Charlo.
Wait.
Making video.
So we've swapped the rockers now, temporary. This used to be the front post, similar like that one there. So we put the front post at the back because it's going to have suicide doors. So the lock sets are both here in the middle. Charlo's busy cutting the post there and that side. And we're going to clean this piece out here. And then we're going to try slide the two cabs together to get the rocker panels to line up. And then hopefully by Monday or tomorrow, Tuesday, we can put the doors on. Go, Charlo, go!